Hello, Namaste, Hola, Vanakkam, Zdrastuvite. I welcome you all to this YouTube channel World Jungle. So today we are going to learn all consonants of Hindi language plus how to write, read and pronounce them. So do not skip this video. If you do so, you will miss some basic facts. So let's start it now. In Hindi language there are 36 consonants and I request you to please write as well as pronounce them. Now we will learn them in group of 5 alphabets. First group of 5 alphabets is called guttural and kanthasth in Hindi. Now guttural means sounds or voices which are coming through your throat. Before you say this letter K, I want you to put your hand on your throat and feel it for yourself. Now try to say K. K, K as in curtain, K as in Kabir, K as in bank. So let's move to next alphabet. I don't have any English words for this letter. We call this letter K, K, K as in Khan, K as in lake. So let's move to next letter. Our next letter is G, G, G as in jug, G as in mug, G as in gum. While saying this third letter G, you use small portion of your breath to pronounce it. G. Now fourth letter, in fourth letter we call it G. You are going to use your entire breath to say or pronounce it. G. Now G as in ghost, G as in ghee, G as in ghadi. Let's move to next letter. Our next letter we call it Anga, Anga, Anga. Many people say it wrong, Anga. Now Anga as in England, as in Ganga. We have completed our first 5 alphabets which we call gutturals or sounds of your throat. Now try to focus on my voice or sound. K, K, G, Gh, Anga. Now this fifth one includes your nose. K, K, G, Gh, Anga, Anga. Now second group of 5 alphabets we call them palate sounds. Palate sounds in English and तालु की आवाज़ें in Hindi. Now while saying these palate sounds you are going to touch your palate with your tongue. So first letter is ch, ch, ch as in chunk, ch as in each, ch as in champak. Let's move to next letter. I don't have any English words for this letter. This letter is ch, ch. This is new sound for you. So focus on my voice. Ch, ch, ch as in Chhattisgarh, ch as in Chhatrapati. Our next letter is J, J, J as in Justin, J as in cage, J as in junk. Let's move to next letter. Now this sound is also new for you, so before you say this letter I suggest you to exhale your entire breath while saying this Jh. This letter is Jh, Jh as in branch, as in breeze, as in haze. Pronounce it Jh. As we already know, fifth letter includes your nose. So this letter is Anya. Anya as in pinch, pinch, pinch. Now I will say a Hindi sentence. वह कंचे खेल रहा है. वह कंचे pinch, pinch, Anya. Your nose is included, so please pronounce it with me. Anya, Anya. Now pronounce them with me. K, K, G, Gh, Anga. Ch, Ch, J, Jh, Anya. क ख ग घ ङ च छ ज झ ञ. Our third group is Murdha. Murdha in Hindi, Murdha means back part of upper teeth. There is no English word. Now while saying these letters, you are going to touch your Murdha with your tongue. So first letter is T. T as in cat, mat, truck. Pay attention to my voice. T. T. Our next letter is Th. Th. It is different than the first one. If I say cat and cat, if I say British or British, th, like in Thanda. Thanda is a Hindi word. Thanda means cold or cool. So th. Now pronounce it th. Next letter is D. D as in mad, bad, done. D. I already told you that fourth letter of group is going to use your entire breath. So use your entire breath and say it. Dha. Dha. Dha as in Dhaka, as in Dholak. Now your turn. Please pronounce it. Dha. This is a new sound for you. So fifth letter includes your nose. No English equivalent, and it is strong n sound or n sound with tip of tongue curled backwards and touching the tip of palate. So it's ana, ana, ana. Your turn. Please say it. Ana. Now say them. Ta, tha, da, dha, ana. Ta, tha, da, dha, ana. So our fourth group is teeth sounds or दांत की आवाजें in Hindi or dantast. Now it is not English T. Your English T has 5 different sounds in Hindi language. So it is t, t, t as in Tamil Nadu, t as in Tehran. Pay attention to my voice. Tamil Nadu, Tehran. It is T, T. Next letter is Th. This is fourth sound of English T. It is called Th. Th as in thermal, as in bath, as in thigh. So our next letter is the. The. T-H-E. That entire word is the, one single sound in Hindi language. So you read the as in bagDAD, as in Dubai. Hindi people will say Dubai and English people will say like Dubai, Dubai. So we say Dubai because of the. This is fourth letter of the group and it is going to use your entire breath. So use it and say dha. Dha as in dharma, dha as in Jodhpur. So say it now. Dha. Fifth letter of the group, it includes your nose. So it is na. Na. Na as in man, as in name, as in cane. Ta, tha, da, dha, na. Ta, tha, da, dha, na. So it is fifth group and it includes your lips. You are going to use your lips to say these 5 alphabets, and first one is P. P as in map, as in cap, as in plum, plum. Our next letter is F. F as in if, as in fur, as in fun. Next letter is B. B as in mob, as in bulb, as in bus. Fourth letter includes your entire breath, so it is Bh. Bh as in abhor, as in bhakshi, as in bhakshi. So it is bha. Let's move to next letter. Fifth letter includes your nose, so it is ma. Ma as in mud, as in mango, as in mud. Pa, pha, ba, bha, ma. Pa, pha, ba, bha, ma. So this sixth group is semi-vowel, lips and throat is open while saying these five. So first one is ya, ya, ya as in yes, as in ya. Our next letter is r, r as in run, as in rush, r, r. Our next letter is l, l as in luck, as in lamp, l. This letter is v, v as in work, as in wall, work, wall, v, v. Our next letter is sh, sh as in short, as in shame, sh. Ya, r, l, v, sh, ya, r, l, v, sh. Now this letter is also semi-vowel and it is sh, sh. It is pronounced similar to sh but with more pressure, and it occurs only in words which are borrowed from Sanskrit. So sh as in shirt, as in shame, as in santosh. This letter is also semi-vowel and it is s, as in sun, as in sun. This one is also semi-vowel and it is ha, ha as in hug, as in hard. So this one is compound, ksha, ksha as in Akshay, and this picture is of Akshay, you can see it, his name is Akshay. Ksha, ksha, it is called ksha. Our next letter is tra, it is also compound, Trishul as in Trishul, tra, tra. You can see Lord Shiva holding his Trishul, it is a weapon, Trishul, tra. Now this one is gya, gya, no English word. GYANI, it is a Hindi word. GYANI means a person who has lot of knowledge. Okay, let's check what we learned today. You are going to repeat after me. So k, kh, g, gh, ang, ch, ch, j, jh, anya, t, th, d, dh, ana, t, th, d, dh, n, p, ph, b, bh, m, y, r, l, v, sh, sh, s, h, ksha, tra, gya. So that is the video. If you like it, please subscribe, give a like and share it to your friends. Thanks for watching my video. Bye bye. Dhanyavad.